Welcome back friends. I welcome you all once again in BSc Botany Studies classes. Myself Professor Khodde Rishikesh, and here we are going to discuss a new chapter in plant physiology subject which is known as seed dormancy and seed germination. So the chapter is related around the seed. So first of all, you all know what is seed. What is this seed? From where this seed came? This seed, after favorable condition, undergoes germination and it results into the formation of seedling. So seed is there and seedling is there. The whatever protocol is followed by the seed to create new plant or new generation is known as seed germination. But what is dormancy is the main point. First of all, you have to understand that this seed is produced by male gamete and female gamete. Male gamete came from pollen grain and female gamete came from ovule. This pollen grain was released by androecium and ovule is remain inside the gynoecium. Androecium is male reproductive organ from flower and gynoecium female reproductive organ from flower. So we have said ovule remain inside the gynoecium, so that the seed belongs to this ovule. So seed is nothing but the fertilized ovule. If anybody asks you to define seed, seed means nothing but fertilized ovule. Who fertilized the ovule? The male gamete. The male and female gamete comes together to create this seed. But there is a maturation phase which create this seed to withstand the adverse environmental condition. Please highlight this word. This seed is now dormant. This seed is now dormant, where it is capable to suffer the less water environmental condition, dry condition, water scarcity condition. So after getting favorable condition, this seed can give rise as seedling. Some books have record that the seed dormancy period can be up to 1200 years. So you can imagine how much period this seed can remain in dormant condition. So it is very interesting to see. Generally in normal plants, seed dormancy you can find 3 to 4 years. But like lotus plant, the seeds dormancy shows up to 1000 year, which is very huge area. 1000 year period means very huge area. So seed dormancy we are going to discuss here. There are various methods to overcome this seed dormancy. Sometimes what happen? You buy seed from the market, you sow the seed in your garden, but that seed do not undergo germination. So for to overcome that problem, you have to apply some method to overcome the seed dormancy. So which are these methods you are going to apply? Before that, you have to understand which are the different types of seed dormancy are there. Okay. So now onward we will be discussing about the definition of seed dormancy. Just I have told you, the seed dormancy means the period is maturation period of the seed where seed undergoes the pause condition. It inactivates many metabolic pathways and remains stagnant to withstand the adverse environmental condition, to wait the favorable condition. It is waiting to come favorable condition. Mainly favorable condition includes rainy season or water availability. If water is available in air in the form of moisture, some seed undergo germination. If no water is there, no seed germination will be there. So in this chapter we will be discussing what chemical changes takes place while seed germination when takes place. So this chapter will be very interesting and informative for you. In this chapter we will be discussing about types of seed dormancy, methods to break this seed dormancy, different biochemical reaction which takes place during seed germination. Okay, and which hormones plays a significant role for seed dormancy as well as seed germination? Because it is all game of hormones. All hormones in plant perform various different functions such as auxin, cytokinin, gibberellic acid, abscisic acid. These hormones perform essential role in plant. Some hormones are promotive in nature, they promote seed germination, but some hormones stops seed germination. So we are going to discuss in a detail in protocol fashion how these hormones are affecting upon the seed germination, as well as which are the different biochemical reactions happens inside the seed, so that before it was a seed, now it is a seedling, means which chemical reactions has been taken place here. So this chapter will be very interesting. So in next part we will be discussing the step by step types and method to overcome of seed dormancy and various biochemical reaction. So stay tuned and don't forget to subscribe this channel. Bye.